What's up everyone, it's DevBird here, and in today's episode we're going to see how we can change the font of our character. So, we have this boring font here, and we just have boring characters and whatnot. And we're going to see how we can change the font specific to each character. So each character is going to have their own special font. And so how can we do that? So first, let us go into our script, and we're going to go to our character profile, and we're going to give it a font. So here, this is all the information that's going to be related to our character. And one thing we can do is add a font. And we do other things too in the future, like add emotions to our character, have them talking while the text plays. And so we're going to make a public font. I'm going to call it my font. And we're going to go over to our characters, Papyrus and Sans, and we can see that we have a font here. And so I've already taken the liberty of importing some fonts, so you have to do that on your own time. And I'm going to assign these fonts. Pretty sure this one is... yeah, Comic Sans, which means that the other one's Papyrus. Alright, so I have the fonts assigned, but it's not going to do anything yet. And so let's go over into our dialogue manager over here, and the place where we assign all the name, the text, and the portraits, we're also going to assign the font. So I'm going to dialog text.font is equal to info.character.myfont. And it's that easy. And so let's well, we have to create a new dialog. We have Undertale test here. This will work actually. Alright, so let's go to our test object and put in my Undertale test. And so in this test I have Sans and Papyrus that are going to talk and say stuff. And so see, you have Comic Sans here, and then the next one we have Papyrus here. And that's really it. That's all you have to do. Many of you don't know, but I run a patron page, and we have our first patron by the username of Bay. So we're going to give a big thanks to Bay. Thanks, Bay. Yay, give her a round of applause. Hooray. Anyways, if you want to support me, you can go to my Patreon page. I'll have a link in the description below. And it's not required, but every dollar helps. And that'll be it. Let me know what you guys want for the next video. I'll probably be working on, most likely, have animations for talking. But until then, I'll see you guys later.